Well, everyone, there's some really interesting news going on between iOS 18.7.4. Now, I'm not really too sure what Apple kind of ended up doing here, but it was a very interesting type of thing. So they ended up releasing iOS 18.7.4 to everyone out there. So if you own an iPhone XR, XS, or XS Max, you were able to go through and basically get iOS 18.7.4 installed onto your device, which was something that was really cool, is very much needed. But what Apple ended up doing randomly was that they went through and they unsigned these particular versions of software. So they went through, unsigned them, which in and of itself was very weird. And it apparently was because there was some, defect in the software. So it looked like there was a problem in the software itself. Apple had to go through, remove it, and then they ended up fixing that problem. And now with the new update, they were able to go ahead and fix that type of issue. So it was a very weird thing. I'm not really too sure kind of what ended up happening there, but for the most part, it does look like iOS 18.7.4 is there, but I wonder if there was a problem with, the generations of iPhones that already installed iOS 18.7.4. And I wonder if that ended up causing some issues for some people. Meaning, did they end up installing that version of software and then did they end up removing that version of software? I feel like that is one of those things to kind of keep in mind there as well. So if you installed iOS 18.7.4, I'm very curious to see if this new version is different than this past version. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.